Committee Raba Kajala Konrad Sangma ul ong baka sarkar kan yang scam mat kan chimkhia man thong ya ka expert committee na kamta mat pembit thamai ya ka reservation policy. Habe keren bikin auto ko bor mata kasngi ka arfu tere ujliu arjar arfulai Konrad Sangma ul penpau ka jing so scam baka ka committee kan la ban wanra ki babun ki jing penbet bat ki bedei na kamta ka jing ya pryang bat ka jing ya bit e byang lang ha baro ki jat ri jong ka jalla. Susu ulong galong ka badan kam ban pej bahaya kan ka policy ta kalenti ka bakhamyar ba kamjur ka jingya pe benya bin pa bin hage ba bon ki benta jo kan ka policy khanang ba kan marra kan ka jingdu nong ba kan longru ko ju ko por ka ba yarap ya ka jela hage ba pentre kam ya kan ka policy ba kam susu ulong ru ba kan ka komiti kan long tang ya ki rishimat nan kan thubru ya ki bre ki batet ba ha kan kam pat kham tamru ki bani ne shaba jong ka jela ong susu ka badan kam ka kong san e jo kan ka komiti ka long ban pej bahaya ki jerit ki janat ki badan kan ka policy bana ka juko por kan pej bakar ajing mot ka sarkar haka bidi bakar jing penbha bak munu ki jing penkala ada idon kam.
Committee on reservation.
Yeah, we have already in fact started looking for names. The search committee has already gone through a large number of names. We expect that more and more names will come in. Already, in fact, today in my small briefing with the Chief Secretary, he has already briefed me on certain names that are already coming up, but obviously we want a very good panel of names so that we are able to come up with a good committee, and a committee that will be balanced, and at the same time a committee that will be neutral in nature, independent in nature, and obviously effective, and be very qualified so that proper report can be brought out.
So what are they from the state or maybe outside?
So we're looking at all aspects. We're not closing ourselves into any specific that it should be from state or outside. I think the quality of the qualification of the individual and the capacity of the individual, I think, will be the top criteria for us, and then we'll see, of course, and decide on how to if there has to be something balanced that has to be made, then we'll look at that aspect also.
Okay, sir.